everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I received some really pretty things from my friends over at BB Craft. One of the items was this conglomeration of starfish and fish beads. And today I'm going to take one of the starfish. I'm going to show you how to make something that's similar to what I have on here. Something else I got were these little charm holders, I guess is what you call them. And they come in silver, brass, and gold. I think that's all, these three colors. There's copper. Oh wait, that is copper. Here's the brass. So we have copper, brass, the shiny gold, and silver. And these are really nice to hang little charms on. And you can put them on necklaces, or these are really small, so I probably use them on a bracelet. But right now, I'm going to take this little starfish bead that came in here, and a gold little charm holder, and a head pin. I'm going to wrap a charm. You also need some flat nose pliers, wire cutters, and some round nose pliers. So these particular beads, they come in all different colors. And like I said, we have little fish too. And I actually have a video where I show making some earrings with those. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to that at the end of this video. But look how pretty all these are. I decided to take the one that kind of looks like it has a little bit of gold in it and pair it up with this. So these are beads, and the hole goes from the top of one of the legs down to in between the legs. And I'm just going to go in between the legs there and string it on like that. I usually like the pointy part to face up, and that's just preference. You may like it the other way around, and that's okay too. And the next thing I'm going to do, it's almost like just making a pair of earrings. You're going to bend that over at a 90-degree angle. Use your finger as a measurement here, and clip that off. And then with your round nose pliers, you're going to roll a loop and adjust as needed. And then you just open that back up at an angle and hang it on your little charm holder. Close her back up, and you are done. Now I'm going to show you how to hang this on there. These are really easy. So I have a charm. Here's a little mermaid charm. And I got a silver charm holder because she's silver. And I have a jump ring. And I'm just going to open up the jump ring. It's easier if you have two flat nose pliers to do this. There we go. And then you just put that on like that and close it up. And then you have another little charm thing or to hang on like a bracelet. Or if you had a thin enough chain, you could put it through there. Or you could just get some beading wire and bead up some little tiny beads. Maybe you could use some seed beads. And just come around here with them and put them on a necklace. See, something similar to this. You could put it on a necklace or bracelet, or even make some hoop earrings. See, you could put it something like that. You could make you a little necklace or bracelet, or you can even make you some hoop earrings. Thanks for joining me today. If you're interested in any of these nice things that I got from BB Craft, we have the starfish and fish beads and these little charm holders and some other things that I got from BB Craft recently. I will actually leave links to their website and to these items down in the description box below, along with a coupon code. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.